Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Saregama. Analyst maintains positive view on Saregama with price target of Rs 640. As we believe that a likely shift to paid subscription model, proactive smart content investments, and ramp up of adjustment categories will drive growth and position the company to achieve strong growth trajectory in the medium to long term. We expect sales PAT CAGR of 21% and 16% over FY24 to 27. At current market price, the stock trades at 31.3x its FY27 earnings per share. Next, we have an update on Power Grid. Analyst maintains buy on the company with an unchanged price target of Rs 350. Company has delivered weak results in the last few quarters due to slow capitalization. Company is expected to deliver good growth going forward as the management has a strong capex capitalization guidance of Rs 23,000 and 18,000 crores in FY25. For FY26 and 27, the capex guidance is of Rs 28,000 to 30,000 crores and the capitalization guidance is of Rs 25,000 to 35,000 crores respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.